Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So, first of all, happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. I'm recording this video on the day of Raksha Bandhan. That is why. Maybe you are able to get it on the same day. So, in the last session, we had a discussion around the current affairs topic of IBPS PO mains. And in that, I had a huge demand that please provide the list of banking awareness topics. So, I'm going to cover the banking awareness topic for both IBPS PO and SBIP because strategy will be same. Topics are going to same, so it is going to make your task easier for the upcoming examination that you are able to cover these topics together. Okay, so all the important topics we are going to cover in the batch as well, that is your Hustle 3.0 batch, currently available at around 750 rupee after the proper discount of Raksha Bandhan. चलिए start करते हैं. सबसे पहले quickly we need to understand that this year in the notification, even last year also in the notification, they have defined separately. There is a banking awareness section, digital and financial awareness section, including RBI circular. ये चीजें आपकी last time भी define थी. So you have a very great relationship between the recent circular of Reserve Bank of India and the static current affairs topic in your examination. This year you are going to get 50 questions with 60 marks. 50 questions होंगे आपके exam में 60 marks के साथ. Talking about IBPS PO. अभी मैं आपको एक दो एग्जांपल्स दे देता हूं. फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर इज अ सर्कुलर ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, वेरी रिसेंट, इन द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त. देयर इज अ सर्कुलर ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया regarding the interest rate on the deposit, that banks will be allowed to offer the differential rate of interest on the bulk deposit. अभी आप यहां से ब्रेक डाउन करो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टॉपिक लाइक types of accounts. Within the types of account, there is a concept called bulk deposit. So what is the bulk deposit for commercial bank, bulk deposit for small finance bank, bulk deposit for RRB? What is the limit? That type of question. Static question you can expect in your exam. The reason being, there is a circular. So one pattern is going to be you can get the static question on bulk deposit. Second pattern, you can get the question based directly on this particular RBI circular. So दोनों चीजें आपको कवर करनी है. RBI circular भी कंप्लीट करना है, and after that the bulk deposit also you need to complete. आपको bulk deposit भी करना है. Second type, one more circular RBI have issues regarding not to include the FCNR account collected between June to August 2026, which is a special window opened by the Reserve Bank of India. On that, ANBC will not be calculated. Bank need not required to satisfy PSL guideline. So the amount which is collected by the Indian banks in the FCNR, foreign currency non-resident account, for the maturity period of 3 year to 5 year, on that account in this special window, no need to maintain PSL. Previously RBI said no need to maintain CRR/SLR. पहले RBI ने बोला था CRR/SLR मेंटेन मत करो, अभी और रिलैक्सेशन दे दिया, no need to maintain PSL also. PSL का टारगेट भी मैनेज करने का नीड नहीं है. Now, if you will observe, there are so many banking awareness topics which are aligned with this particular circular. That is, what is ANBC, FCNR. So not only FCNR, NRE, NRO, FCNR, RFC, all the NRI deposits we need to cover in detail. एक ये point हो गया. Second, CRR/SLR means RBI monetary policy tools that we need to cover. Third, PSL, priority sector lending, so that we need to cover. So either from the static part or directly from this RBI circular, we can expect the question for sure. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा chances हैं. Now there were two different circular regarding the Basel norms. If you will observe my previous videos, I never said Basel norms are very important for the examination. मैंने हमेशा बोला Basel norms यार बहुत difficult होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा exams में नहीं आते हैं question. But this time the probability of Basel norm related question is going to be extremely high. Reason, two different circular issues by the Reserve Bank of India, that both the guidelines are going to be applicable from 1st of April 2027. RBI ने extension दे दिया है. That now the new guideline of Basel norms, that banks required to maintain the Basel norm extra leverage ratio, that is 3.5%, 4%. So that is required to be maintained by the bank from 1st of April 2027. So leverage ratio related था, technology updation था. So these are the topic based on the circular. So first of all, we should understand banking awareness topic have somehow linked with the recent RBI circulars. अब मैं आपको topic दे देता हूं सारे के सारे, that what are the important topic. So Basel norms, because of the recent circular came in the month of April, June and August. 3 months में हमारे पास 3 different circulars हैं. With the little updation, Basel norm is going to be important. Types of bank accounts. So saving account, current account, recurring deposit, sweep account facility, bulk deposit facility. Bulk deposit is going to be very important. आफ्टर दैट एनआरई, एनआरओ, एफसीएनआर, एनआरआई डिपॉजिट्स, दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो ये आपका सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक रहेगा आपका ये फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन. थर्ड है आपका प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लेंडिंग. सर्कुलर केम इन द मंथ ऑफ जून एंड ऑगस्ट. Then CRR, SLR, monetary policy of August month and June month because of the updates in the monetary policy. Money market, capital market, new framework for the call money, notice money, term money recently announced in the month of July. So money market, capital market related one question we can expect or two question we can expect. Financial inclusion index, payment index was also issued. Financial inclusion index was also issued. So because of that, we need to cover financial inclusion schemes properly. Suraksha Bima Yojana, Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Mudra scheme, Swanidhi. Related to that, all the updated data was available. At least 1 to 2 questions. Even in the clerk examination, this financial inclusion topic is extremely important for clerks. So if you are going for SBI clerk, IBPS clerk, in that you can definitely expect the question based on that because of the current and itself importance of this topic. Then NPA recovery. RBI issues very, very important circular regarding the loan recovery by the officers, bank officer along with the agent. That with customers we are able to interact only in between morning 8 a.m. to evening 7 a.m. We need to carry the proper call letter one day before, a proper authorization letter while recovery of the loan. And after that, one day before, we need to inform to the customer. So there is a very detailed guideline RBI issues. This particular guideline will be more important for interview. ये ज़्यादा important रहेगी interview के लिए. While NPA loan recovery, that circular will be important for the written examination. वो written के लिए important होगा. Especially what is NPA, what is amortization, what is SMA 0, 1 and 2, substandard, doubtful, ARC, NCLT, DRT, IBC. That all the concept of NPA will be important for the written examination. तो एक टॉपिक हो गया NPA. फिर हमारा चेक मूव हुआ है कंटिन्यूअस क्लियरिंग ऑफ चेक पर. सो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ चेक वी नीड टू कवर. देन NEFT, RTGS. RBI issues the circular regarding, RBI ने circular issue किया था regarding the digital payment fraud. RBI will provide a default support system up to 25,000 rupee will be, means digital fraud up to 25,000 rupee will be recovered by the RBI. एक proper digital एक RBI का circular issue हुआ था इसके ऊपर that you can cover from the month of June. We have seen it. So NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, based on that we are able to see the question. एक बार topic revise कर देता हूँ. Most important topics हैं. मैंने सिर्फ 7 to 8 topics रखे out of 21-22. Basel norms, टाइप्स ऑफ बैंकिंग, प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर, आरबीआई सर्कुलर्स के कारण है आपका मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी टूल्स, मनी मार्केट, कैपिटल मार्केट, फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन स्कीम, एनपीए टॉपिक, टाइप्स ऑफ चेक एंड पेमेंट सेटलमेंट, एनईएफटी, आरटीजीएस, आईएमपीएस, यूपीआई, यूएसएसडी. You can definitely expect at least 7 to 8 question minimum. That is, I'm telling minimum 7 to 8 question from these topic in your examination for sure, either from current or from the static part. So this is the batch where you can follow all these topic in detail, in depth, properly. This is the list from my side after a proper analysis of previous examination. Follow it. Definitely you are able to gain good marks. All the best from my side for your examination. You can follow the batch as well. Take care. Jai Hind.